Hi guys, this is Shruti. Welcome to House of Kalakriti. Today I am going to talk about very useful and functional home and kitchen organizers of IKEA, which I recently purchased from Amazon. And also you can earn the cashback on all these products through GoPaisa app. So I will share all the details and procedure how you can earn the cashback from GoPaisa app. So before that, let me show you my first kitchen organizer. This is Expandable stand, very compact and sturdy. This expandable steel rack comes really handy in my kitchen. This product is my personal favorite. It's non-bulky size and the vertical rods is not that high. This makes it more multifunctional. At the same time, they are strong enough to hold the weights of heavy pans when you place vertically. In fact, they are space-saving organizer. It is the perfect organizer as you can adjust and place it in the cabinet or the drawer and stack all the lids in it. The space can be adjusted according to the width of the lids, and you can also place the chopping board, tawa or any heavy utensil. And it is super easy to clean because it has matte stainless steel body, and if you don't want to use it, can be stored in a compact form neatly. Now let's move on to my next item. This is beautiful metal basket with wooden handle. It is quite spacious and looks great and add aesthetics as well. This metal basket is multifunctional. You can use it in many ways. If you wish, you can store lot of fruits in this metal basket. I have stored almost 4 kg of fruits in this. If you want, you can also put onions and potatoes in this basket as well. This metal basket, you can place it on your kitchen countertop as well. It will add beauty over there. If you place it outside as well, the fruits and vegetables will stay fresh for the longer time as the steel mesh has good ventilation. We have a bedtime routine that helps you reflect, relax and sleep well. Finding such an amazing organizer where you can stack almost 40 to 50 books in one go. It is so portable and handy that does not restrict you to be in one room. So चलिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ कैसे आप कैशबैक अर्न कर सकते हैं. GoPaisa app is an online coupon and cashback app where you can earn cashback while shopping through this app only. It has 1500 plus brands like Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio, Amazon, Mamaearth and many others. सबसे पहले प्ले स्टोर पे जाके GoPaisa ऐप आप डाउनलोड कीजिए. इस तरीके से आपको इंटरफेस दिखेगा. आप साइन अप कीजिए वहाँ पे जाके. अगर ऑलरेडी आपका अकाउंट बना हुआ है फेसबुक पे या गूगल पे तो वो डायरेक्टली आपको लॉगिन कर देगा. और वहाँ जाके अगर आप Amazon से कुछ परचेज करना चाहते हैं, कुछ होम डेकोर आइटम्स, तो आप वहाँ पे टाइप कीजिए. ऑरेंज बटन को प्रेस कीजिए जहाँ लिखा हुआ है गेट कैशबैक. वो रीडायरेक्ट करेगा आपको Amazon की वेबसाइट के ऊपर. Amazon की वेबसाइट ओपन हो जाएगी यहाँ पर, और उसके बाद जो भी आपको प्रोडक्ट लेना है आप वहाँ पे वो प्रोडक्ट डालिए और वहाँ पे आप बाय नाउ का ऑप्शन कीजिए जैसे आप नॉर्मल करते हैं और आपका ऑर्डर प्लेस हो जाएगा. वापस जाइए GoPaisa ऐप के ऊपर, पेंडिंग पे क्लिक कीजिए और वहाँ पे आपको अपना Amazon पे रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा पेंडिंग अमाउंट. यहाँ पे मेरा कंफर्म दिखा रहा है क्योंकि मेरा प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर हो गया है, तो मैं वो कैशबैक अपना ट्रांसफर भी कर सकती हूँ बैंक के थ्रू. Now moving on to the next item, this is stainless trivet or you can say hot pot stand. This plastic feeds prevents the scratching and provides heat insulation as well. Best part is that you can hold 2 to 3 pots very easily. It is very strong and sturdy, made up of a very good material. You can place it on the side of your cooktop for your personal usage. I use it every day in fact. There is enough space. Even if water spills down, it easily comes out due to the space between the plastic feeds and counter shelf. Very easy to clean as well. A lot of us struggle a lot in sink area for keeping the sponges and liquid soap. I have 2 different products. When we combine these products, it changes the overall look of your sink area. This is very simple sink organizer. The reason I like it so much, it has the capability to conceal and at the same time give entire different look and extra space as well. You will find drain holes and space, which is very essential in this case, but this is not the USP of this product. The real deal is that you can remove the middle part of this sink organizer and you can place lot of stuff as well. It has little legs in the lower surface which help in cleaning as well. Now let's talk about these beautiful dispenser bottles. Do they look like a plastic body? Yes, you are right. It doesn't look like, but it is plastic body with matte finish. It has a squarish shape which makes it unique, and trust me, it is so beautiful. The color is really very nice, and when you placed it, it becomes more organized and stylish as well. With a single wipe, all the water stains, marks can be easily removed from the dispenser as well. The nozzle has slight bend that amplify the use of this product. Since these bottles are similar in shape, so I need to label them with waterproof sticker. Next is the soy sauce dispenser or the oil dispenser. It has a spout on the side for the easy flow. You can easily control the air flow by covering the air hole on the lid at the back side by the finger. The spout is small, so it is great as the oil control with the precise flow. It is absolutely perfect for the oil conscious individuals. I am using here vinegar. This is metal shelf insert. It is amazing space maximizing insert. Immediately double up your shelf space. You can place it in the kitchen cabinet and segregate the things and organize in more effective way. I have placed it on my kitchen countertop. This metal shelf is quite sturdy as I have placed my sandwich maker on the top of that, which is quite heavy. It has quite enough space as I have placed my oil dispenser as well. Going down, you will find lot of space. I just kept one bowl only with some chilies and the lemon which I used on the daily basis, and also you can place a small jar as per your convenience. So my last item is this beautiful Borosil flame proof glass kettle. You will find a strainer as well with this, which is made up of stainless steel. Top lid and handle is made up of plastic, which is not so great. It becomes little hot when you keep it on the high flame. Although this kettle is flame proof and dishwasher safe. The quality of the glass material is really very nice and it is worth of money, as I said it before. This transparent glass with 410 ml set of 2, you will get it under rupees 600 only. These all are some of the organizing ideas from IKEA. You can buy these products directly from Amazon as well. And also, if you invite your friends to GoPaisa, you can earn flat 10% referral earnings on every time your friend earns cashback on GoPaisa. I have shared the link in the description box. You can earn instant 25 rupees as a sign up bonus. In case of any cashback missing, you can drop your query at GoPaisa team. I'll share the email ID in the description box as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button.